Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are utilizing your time in the best possible way. Today we are going to discuss descriptive composition. Superficially, describing things seems to be very easy, but when you are sitting in an exam, it really becomes a hard task to write in an effective way which can inspire the examiner and you can score a star. So far as this description is concerned, it's the part of narrative writing as well. The difference is only of the tense. In descriptive writing, you have to be restricted to present tense, and in narrative you have to write in past tense. So describing things becomes very important in composition writing. Let's see what descriptive composition is. It's a genre of essay in which a student has to describe something, object, person, place. Though it seems very simple, but main problems are how to make the description interesting. How can the topic be arranged in a sensible order? A descriptive essay allows the reader to understand the subject of the essay using illustrative language. It doesn't have a rigid structure. Here are some guidelines to write the descriptive composition. Use sensory details to paint a vivid picture. Sensory details are related to your senses. Do not write aimless description. There must be some sense of order of your writing. Think of similes, metaphors, concrete nouns, adjectives, and adverbs. Descriptive composition must not become a narrative. This is one of the most uniquely challenging genre because you have to focus on the interest of the reader as well. That is why it is challenging, because writing description in a very interesting way is really difficult. But the practice makes a man perfect. Now, describing a person. For the description of a person, we need to focus on the general impression of a person. Describe the outside of the person, for example, physical appearance, clothing, way of sitting. Describe the person's character. Say why you like or dislike and mention some of the things that the person does or has done that makes him special person or worth description. Then comes describing an object or a thing, for which we have different points. Here, number one is size. We have to focus either it is big, small, medium, then shape, oval, square, circular, rectangular. Then we will focus on the color, red, green, yellow, purple, etc. Then function. What are the uses and the benefits of that object or a thing? Material. What is it made of? Plastic, wood, fabric, leather, and many other materials which you may know. Weight. Is it light or heavy? And what is the texture? Smooth, rough, hard, soft. And then comes the price. Is it expensive or cheap? When we come on to the description of scene or a place, it is quite very interesting. Utilize 5 senses. You will use your sense of sight, auditory, and you will show the emotions as well, because when you are describing the senses, then you will give the clear image with all the emotions as well. Make it relevant. Relevance is to highlight its significance in the current scenario. Means what is the significance in the present time. Then introduce some characters in it, because characters will make it or give it life. Spread your description using good vocabulary, concrete words, adjectives. Here I have chosen one topic for you, and this is for your from your past papers. Describe the most helpful and the most unhelpful person you know. Remember, you can describe their appearance as well as their character and behavior. You have few points for brainstorming, and it definitely needs a description of a place or a scene as well, where you must have got the help of that person. So it is overlapping as well. It's not only describing a person depends on something, it can be connected with the description of the place as well. Maybe you find some person at a place, so you will relate that description with that particular person as well, which will make it more solid and concrete. So this is all from my side about the descriptive composition, and hope that you understand it well. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed.